I got y'all right here on the daily. And if y'all been checking my updates, y'all notice this is the exact same chart. And y'all can literally see this thing is playing out because this is literally the only options it has. But as y'all can see, we're literally right here in super crunch time. Me saying this, as y'all can see, right here, we start this yellow pattern. And I made a mistake. I did mention this yellow pattern, but I still think it's going to be broken, but it didn't break down yet. I'm going to show y'all why. On a 4-hour chart, right? See this very last wick to the bottom right here before the very last drop? This very low right here is sitting at $37,020, right? This low over here, it came down to $37,161. So it didn't come down and break this. But the issue is, like, where you can see this right here at, and y'all see me write this chart down. I don't know how long ago, but y'all see this play out this whole time. But anyways, like I say, I'm expecting it to come up here. This is the real crunch time right here. Because like I said, it actually didn't break this yellow pattern just yet. So it is still a small possibility we can continue our way on up and actually complete this pattern. But also, this is where I had a triple bottom at. As in this, it could come up here and either hit this 200 EMA, or it could just hit this 100 EMA around 40,000, or the 200 right back up here around 45,000 and get rejected to make this triple bottom possibility. See, I believe we hit this 200 EMA, we got a possibility of a triple bottom. But I believe we hit this 100 EMA around 40,000 or so, and we get rejected, we're gonna drop. And we'll be looking for this number again, what I told you in my last video. That is $34,322. It cannot drop below that. Or I said it's going straight to 30,000, and then it's going to 20,000. So those options are still up here. So this is why it's crunch time, because you're right here where I'm expecting to cross at. And y'all see me write this, I don't know how long ago, like I said. Y'all see it play out. So, y'all shouldn't second guess anything I'm saying. I'm trying to warn y'all of the possibilities, what may be coming. And like I always keep mentioning, the war and what the whole world looking like right now, I will not be surprised of a whole complete financial crash everywhere in every market there is. Just being honest, in my opinion. But anyways, for the time being, we looking at least to come up to 40,000 to test this 100 EMA. But like I also mentioned, we could also test this 200 EMA on this 4-hourly chart. But this right here, like, I believe by the end of this week, it's going to tell us everything. Because I was already expecting by the middle of this month that things would be falling. As y'all can see, falling here. And I told y'all well ahead of time. At least 2, 3, 4 weeks ahead of time that this was coming. And we're getting closer and closer. Like I said, all we needed rejection for this 100 EMA or 200 EMA. And then we coming down here to test the triple bottom. And we may actually fail the triple bottom. Like I said, once it drop below that number, we free falling. And the whole market is free falling too. Way worse than Bitcoin will be. For heads up for all you long-term holders. Go back on the daily so you can see, like I said, possibility hit this 50 EMA on the daily. Boom, that's exactly what a 50 EMA. Go in the general area, come back down, like I said, can't drop below that, then come back up for, the reversal for a triple bottom or inverse head and shoulders, however you want to put it. But like I said before, man, I'm actually lucky this thing could easily drop because, like, if you look at the bigger pattern, this is a humongous head and shoulders. This is why it's it's highly likely that it's going to drop. Just looking at the world and looking at the way this market is, there's no way this is a coincidence. Not at all. They planned this a long time ago, to be honest, because there's no way this market is coming. Like, it is literally coming. Like, they designed this market for this to happen at a specific time, because there's no way. Like, I don't care if nobody say, like, how's this thing just like that perfect? It's gonna come down, hit this 100 EMA, and come use this previous resistance as support at 20,000. There is no way that everything going on right now was not planned. I usually don't get going much detail about all this, but I got to this time because there's just no way that this was not planned. Everything we see in the news, everything we see right now, this has been planned. There's no doubt about it. Because, you can look at the chart. Look, this is back in 2018, 2017. They knew about this before everyone else knew about the virus. I mean, excuse me, I don't want to say that word, but knew about this whole situation. Cause how? How is this coming together this perfectly? I almost don't want to believe it. But I mean, you see the signs. You got a large M formation right there, a large head and shoulder formation right here, and this will actually end up turning into a large head and shoulder formation also. If it was to come up and spike up, hit this 100 one more time, or even the 50, it'll still be considered a head and shoulders, and we could still drop. So, I mean, it's showing multiple head and shoulders and formations. But, like I said, we do have two possibilities of triple bottom. And if we don't, we continue our way up and don't stop, we have this possibility right here, too. Rejection, bounce off to 100, continuation. But, I mean, like I keep saying, y'all see what's happening around the world. Don't be surprised if it don't take the upside. So I've shown y'all all the options, and all the options is, the overall picture looks pretty grim. So yeah. So anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.